Here we go. Okay, this is like my favorite song right now. Like I'm listening to it like on repeat. It's called I Like Me Better by Lauv, L-A-U-V. I think it's supposed to be like love, but like love, darling, love. Don't you love me? Anyways, what's up, my heart attacks? Welcome back to my channel. I finally get to sit down and talk to you guys. And if you're new, hi, what's up, what's up? If you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up and click that post notification bell so y'all can be part of the Heart Attack fam too. So I'm just gonna talk to you guys about like where I've been this past summer, and I thought I'd just show you the stuff that I've been buying currently that's in my life right now. So yeah, why not? So let's just get on with it. So right now I'm also doing a contest, and I do need y'all's help. If y'all have Facebook, or if you could just get a Facebook and help vote for me for the Maximum contest.
You can also donate for the Wounded Warriors, and that will also count as a vote, and it's a great cause.
I will link that down below so you guys could go please vote for me, vote for your girl, and I would really appreciate it, and hopefully I can get on that cover. From Kylie Cosmetics. This is my first time ever purchasing from Kylie. She recently had her like BOGO sale. I think it was like buy one get one free. So I was like, okay, I'll just buy one. But I couldn't just buy one and then get one free. I was like, okay, let me buy two and get two free. I do like lip liners. I just don't ever buy them because I just feel like I'm too lazy for that. They glide on really smooth. Okay, so first impressions right now, it's not all the way dry. I didn't have to put that much. I was just trying to go over like where the lip liner was. But first of all, this color is so fire. I love this color. Lip liner is pretty creamy, but like with the liquid lip, I felt like it was drying. Like the more it dried, the more like I felt like it was too dry on my lips. However, I will say this, it didn't feel like it was gonna come off. And that I do really like. So I think if you just put a chapstick on, like, you're fine. So as we wait for this to dry, working on the things that I want to do. Most of you guys know that I am an actor, so I've been trying to do more of that. And I really want to do more of that onto my Instagram because I don't feel like in the past I've done that, and I really want to make my Instagram really transpire to what I do in like my everyday life, and acting is part of that. To me, it looks more like a brick red, you know, like brick reds that have like a little bit of like that orange yellowish hue to them. I mean, it's a pretty color. I just wanted something more orange. So now that it's drying down, like it's oxidizing, it's not that orange. And I had to put more on, and so I feel it more dry because I had to put a couple layers on for the color to come out. I really do like that smell. It's a little intense, but I think it's really pretty. I'm getting like Joker vibes, no? My green eyeliner, my purple lipstick. I was really trying to get the best shape that I could in the short amount of time that I had. So that's why I wasn't really like filming a lot. I just didn't really have any time to just sit down and just like film some videos. The thing that's so time consuming is the editing portion of making YouTube videos. And so that's why this lipstick feels really dry right now. I'll say it's not the most comfortable, but the color is really pretty. Lastly but not least, well, it is least because this is the last one, but yeah. I feel like it matches my skin tone almost. It feels a little drying right now, but my lips are raw, so I kind of can't feel anything anymore. I was traveling a lot, and when I came back, finally like settled back home, my skin kind of freaked out a little bit. I picked up this Dr. Jart Water Fuse. It's a water-based moisturizer which seeps into your skin a lot quicker, and it's very hydrating. It's like ultra hydrating. They have one for the eyes too that's amazing. It has a clean smell. It smells really clean, and it's like very like jelly. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. Love it. You gotta pick it up. I did get to meet some of you guys this summer, which was really exciting for me. Like, I love meeting all of you guys. It really just, it puts a face to the names. and it's really fulfilling. You're here, living, breathing person. It's just really cool. And then I got to like know some of y'all's stories and stuff. I'm here to kind of like break the news. The reason why I was gone this summer is because I was filming my audition season. I'm not gonna tell you which ones, but I did post that Get Ready With Me. So that was this summer while I wasn't filming. I was literally just like moving to places, and all I could do was really just like vlog. I didn't take my computer with me because I wanted to just get as much film as I possibly could. I had been dying, me muero por ese producto. Fenty Beauty, okay, when I'm like super late on some of the stuff, like all the Kylie kits, I'm like super late on those, but whatever, that's just me, like, that's just the nature of who I am. So one of the auditions that I was at this summer, this girl, she was super cute. I could see the side of her cheek, and I was like, that's trophy wife, isn't it? And she's like, yes, it's like my good luck highlighter. So I finally was able to pick it up. It's so pretty. I love it so much. I've been wearing it non-stop, and I'm wearing it today. Wanted to show it off on cam. It has like a variation of color. Like if you just get it and then you just like swatch it like that, it's really gold. But the more you dig into it, the more pronounced the gold will be. Or the lightly that you tap into it, the more glitter it's gonna be. Cause like if I blend this out, it just looks like little flecks of just glitter, just pure glitter. Looks like you just threw glitter on your cheek and it's just like, it happens to be yellow. Speaking of cheeks, I have been masking with Tatcha. First of all, it smells like it smells like purple and Clorox. That doesn't make any sense, but that's what it smells like to me. It's like a light, it actually kind of looks like that Kylie Jenner lipstick I was wearing. Okay, it's a lot lighter, but maybe Blow Pony, that's what it looks like, Blow Pony. If you guys know where that's from. Aha. Luminous, lumosity to the skin, like a natural dewy look. However, this is a to get off. Luna sleeping oil. I really like it. It's very moisturizing. Like a tiny little bit goes a long way. I think this cost me like 50 bucks. I'm gonna show you how big it is because it's not. Oh my god, it's leaking! Oh my god, it leaked in the box! Son of a... It wasn't closed all the way. Oh, I am so annoyed right now. So this is what it looks like, the little dropper like that. I made it, it's, oh my god, it's everywhere. It is everywhere. It smells really like sweet, clean. It's moisturizing. It's supposed to help even out skin tone. Obviously lessen the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I mean, it's got retin-A and it's only used at night. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe. I'm just gonna close this back up and pray that this does not happen again. Moving on, I got this beautiful light blue dress. I hope you guys can kind of see it. It's pretty long. It looks like a hella long, I know. It's very tight, very form-fitting. It's got like, I hope you guys can see, but it's got like this curve right here. And then right when it gets to the hips, it like pokes out to like give you that natural curve. And it lifts your booty just a little bit. And I like the top because it's got a very modest neckline. So for this pretty blue dress, I had to get some shoes, right? I didn't have any nude shoes. So I found these blush nude pumps. They're peep toe. So it shows a little bit of my toes. Obviously they're from Fashion Nova. I think they're so cute. I haven't gotten a chance to wear them yet, but I think these are like 30 bucks, I think. And of course, like when you use the coupon codes and, you know, email discounts and stuff like that. So they end up coming out a little cheaper, which I love Fashion Nova for that. Thank you. I also got these. As you can see, these I have actually worn. I just thought that it would go really well with the dress. It would make me look a lot longer, you know, showing more skin on the feet, not so much of a covered shoe, would lengthen my body overall. I am going to start teaching dance again. I really missed it. A lot of you guys request it, and I can only do so much on YouTube. It's kind of my upcoming business, and it's still in the works. I wanted you guys to kind of get hyped for that. Can't wait to actually meet all of you guys and really teach all of you guys face to face. And I think that's just something that is so near and dear to my heart, and I just can't wait. I just can't wait to start doing that. Speaking of dances, I wanted to ask you guys if you wanted me to do another Halloween dance. Okay, and the last thing that I have for y'all today is I got these from Charlotte Russe. They were having a deal and I think I got them for 20 bucks. I think right now they're back to 40. They zip up on the side. It's a real kind of like statement shoe, I feel like. They're super cute. I cannot wait to wear these for the fall. I think they're so cute. And they have the functional lace and stuff, and I feel like they're pretty like edgy. I can't wait to visually show you guys my summer adventures that I had. And of course audition season. So rather than keep you guys in anticipation, I thought it would be cool if I gave you guys a preview to this year's audition season. 3, 2, 1. What do you guys think about that? I think that's pretty exciting, right? As always, my beautiful, sweet, loving heart attacks, I will catch you guys in my next video. And if you could please thumbs up this video and hit that subscribe button and be part of my heart attack fam. And I will catch you guys in my next video.